This is the 2020 Trek Fuel EX5. This is their entry level Fuel EX, but it got some pretty great componentries. I bought it from an upgrade of an EX8. But anyways, a 140 Recon in the front, forks, have the Deluxe Select Plus in the back. Comes with 130, that comes with 30 tooth crank there. Comes with the team issued XR4s, 29 by 2.6s, so pretty meaty. Looks fantastic. So I bought the cheapest one I could for $2,099, and I started upgrading it. So I just got it yesterday. Upgraded the grips. I went with the XTR 4-piston caliber brakes. I also did get the rotors, but this is 6-bolt versus the center lock, so it's going to be on my next wheel set. I added that as well, little Bonderregger. Anyways, it comes with a dropper post. I think it's pretty legit for $2,000. I love it. All right, so here's my overall plan for this bike. If you want to see the quick review I did earlier, there'll be a link somewhere. I don't know where, but there'll be a link. Anyways, so one of the first things I'll be doing is I'm going to get the Fox 34 Elite Performance. I'm not going with the factory because I actually love the black stanchions. So that's going to be my first upgrade. My next upgrade is going to be the DVO Topaz Air 3. So that's going to be the next upgrade after. And then my last upgrade will be a group upgrade. So right now this is actually a 10-speed Derailleur with the Derailleur 6000 derailleur. It still has a clutch though, so that's pretty cool. And then the shifter is a Derailleur 6000. So I am going to the 9100 group XTR. Wheel sets, I'm probably going to go with the DT Swiss. Probably with the XT hubs with the microspline for 12-speed. So those are the next upgrades. I don't know after that. I think I might be done. But project cost overall, I'm probably going to try to stay under $5,000. And you know, I could have got maybe was it the EX99 XTR, but that's $7,500. I figure I just do it slowly like I can. So anyway, so that is my goal. We'll see where we get there.